Hi, this is Sherman Crancer, and I'm the president of the Crancer Group, and thank you so much for opening this. Many partners we work with are very frustrated with working within the Microsoft ecosystem. They're frustrated with how do they sign up for the right programs or get the right incentives.
The program that the Crancer Group implements comes in two phases. The first phase is providing Microsoft Partner Development Management Services for our partners, and second is implementing a systematic go-to-market plan that will drive 40% year-over-year growth for your business. Inside of that foundational Partner Development Management Service, we focus on foundational Microsoft programs and incentives. We ensure that the partner gets cloud or data platform competency. Next, we then walk the partner through the arduous process of getting a supplier ID, completing the RFP, the DRP, and the SSPA compliance certifications. When those are complete, then the partner is enrolled into the Microsoft Market Development Fund program called the Partner Investment Engine. Then we provide outsourced services to manage all partner investment submissions. Lastly, we will manage your incentives and ensure that you're getting the most out of your return working with Microsoft. This stage takes 6 weeks to complete. In the second stage, we implement a systematic go-to-market approach that is going to help you grow 40% year over year. So what we end up doing is we create one event every month for 12 months for you. Now, these events are relying heavily on the Microsoft Customer Immersion Experience platform, which provides a hands-on lab type of environment for learning and presenting. The Microsoft partner now invites 12 prospects or current customers to these events. And then we deliver the customer immersion experience, and we have 3 different versions of it. 1, we can focus on Microsoft productivity and Teams. 2, we can focus on Microsoft security using M365 as the base. And number 3, we can use the Azure hands-on lab experience to help drive net new Azure opportunities. Lastly, we provide a playlist of content for the partner to give away to their customers.